So, as you can tell from the title of this video, I will be cutting my own bangs. I've been wanting bangs for a while now. I've been playing with clip-ons and just thought that, hey, let's just get the real deal, you know? It's just hair. Hair will grow back. I basically put up a poll on my finsta, which you should definitely follow if y'all are going to be in the videos and some shit. But yeah, basically I put up a poll asking if I should get bangs or not, with photos of, oh my god, literally shut the fuck up, I'm filming. How disrespectful. But yeah, I put up a poll asking if I should get bangs or not with photos that have been edited on Face app. So the Russian government or whatever has my face now, which is totally Gucci, you know, we love that for us. 72% of y'all said yes, I should get bangs, and 28% of you said no. And I put up a follow-up poll asking if I should cut it myself or go to a hairdresser, and go to a hairdresser won. But I did go to the hairdresser this morning. They're closed on Mondays, which I didn't know. And that was probably like a sign that I shouldn't get bangs, but
that sign can't stop me because I can't read.
Okay, so if you can't tell, my hair is wavy, very damaged, not very pretty. So it's not the ideal hair for bangs, but is that gonna stop me? No. I have had bangs before. I never cut it myself. It was always done by my childhood hairdresser. So I'm gonna try my best not to replicate that. I don't have any like proper hair cutting scissors, but I have these. I feel like that is the best triangle we're gonna get. I feel like that's too thick. What do you think?
Don't use kitchen scissors, craft scissors.
I am so scared. No, fuck it. Let's do it. I need to look in the mirror though. I don't want to look. I don't want to. What have I done? I can't believe I just fucking did that. What the fuck? Problem solved. Bangs where? Bangs who? I don't know her. I am this close to crying right now. Why the fuck did I just do that? This is not a look. This is not a vibe. I'm still too scared to cut it shorter, but I know that I should cut it shorter, but bitch, I'm terrified. I am the biggest dumb bitch in the world. I got all these signs from the universe saying, bitch, no, don't cut your bangs. And what does this dumb bitch do? Cut her bangs. So kids, what have we learned today? Don't cut your own bangs unless you've done like a hair course, obviously. Then like, you know, do it, go crazy, go stupid on your own hair. Right, I feel like I'm overreacting. What the fuck am I gonna do with this hair? I'll probably offer it to my dad. He's got like a bald spot. Let me just like fix this for a second. I'll get some really cute trendy clips. Look how cute that is. This is one of the hairstyles where I can't wear outside because I just have a giant ass forehead, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to get a bang. Bangs. Okay, so I don't even think I mentioned the time. I mentioned that I was sleep deprived, which I am. I've only slept for 3 hours, but it's 10:30 now. Pretty normal time, to be honest. And I'm not even fucking tired. I'm riled up now. So yeah, I didn't really plan this video. I kind of just had like a vision of how it was gonna go. I just kind of thought that I would cut my hair and then it will be perfect. But obviously it wasn't. It's 10 to 1. I can't sleep. I'm feeling really self-conscious right now. Even though I'm literally alone in my bedroom and I'm just trying to sleep. So I just basically started editing the video. And as it turns out, this is gonna be a vlog. I'm gonna take you to tomorrow when I am gonna call the hair salon and get an appointment as soon as possible. Good morning. It is the next day. This is the state of my fringe. Tragic. It is 9:45 and I am gonna call the hair salon.
Good morning. Hello.
Good morning. Basically I made a huge mistake and cut my own bangs, so I was wondering when's the next available appointment?
Could you come in today?
Yes. Okay.
Alright.
Okay, cool. I'll be there ASAP, Rocky. Alright. Right. Let's get ready.
It's 10:22 a.m.
I got ready real quick. And I thought I'd do a little outfit of the day. So I got my hair clips in. My forehead looks massive. But I think from afar, my forehead still looks massive. I love how cute this outfit is. Look how cute it is. I'm not digging the shoes, so I'm gonna get changed. But I just didn't want my bare feet in a video, you know? Anyway, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna ask if I can film. And I'm kind of scared to film. Oh my god, I didn't even show you my bag. My bag's so cute. Like, look how cute that is. It's like a tiny mini duffel bag and like, bitch. Yes. If you guys want me to do what's in my bag, leave a share, subscribe, comment down below. It's gonna be a really long video. It's gonna be 10 minutes so I can add a shit ton of mid-roll ads in between, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna stop stalling and I'm gonna go take the bus. Because I can't drive. So I'm back. And I really don't know how to feel, to be honest. It was basically like shading me the whole time. It was like, so because of the way that you cut it, it's gonna take a while to train it. Because when I go out, I usually part my hair to the side. But more often than not, I'm always at home, and when I'm at home my hair kind of just naturally falls into a middle part, and apparently that's why it's a little bit like that at the moment. I also asked for some like shorter bits. Oh my god, should I cut my hair that length? I have so much hair on my face. What do you guys think? Y'all probably think I'm a clown. What the fuck was that? Yeah, I literally just went to town, thought I'd do a little haul. I got a hat. It says thank you next on it because Ariana Grande. But like, I was walking through town, yeah, and it's really windy today. You can probably hear it because my window is open, and I could literally just feel my hair flying like that. It's so embarrassing. I caught like pictures of it. I'm gonna insert them here and here and here and here and here. My room is a mess, but like, what's new? I am gonna put some eye makeup on and some eyelashes. I'm gonna try and style my hair, and I will be back. Okay, so I've got my eye makeup on. I kind of curled my fringe a little bit. It kind of went a little bit shorter, but whatever, it's fine. I also tried curling my hair, but I can't curl my hair. A really extra eye look. I'm gonna tell y'all something that's like so crazy about myself. I have a bullet journal in which I make lists and journal from time to time. Anyway, I apparently made this. It says, hairstyles I want to wear with bangs to hide my 5 head. So I am gonna put a quick montage. Okay, so my bang isn't cooperating, but the first hairstyle is just, you know, a typical messy bun. Don't think I'm gonna be wearing it out anytime soon. The second hairstyle is just a basic high ponytail, very cute, very basic, and I just caught a reflection of myself in the mirror. And the third hairstyle is just a basic half up, half down hairstyle, which I think is so cute. Yes. And my camera died. Okay, so just to end this video, I thought I would leave you guys with a really meaningful message. So basically, when you get bangs, and I don't think a lot of people realize this, you lose such a big part of yourself, especially if you have a 5 head. And not gonna lie, I'm gonna miss mine. And so I thought I would end this video with a tribute to my 5 head, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more, you know, and yeah. I miss you, I miss your smile, and I still shed a tear every once in a while. And even though it's different now, you're still here somehow. My heart won't let you go, and I want you to know I miss you. I miss you. One time for the outro, I miss you.
miss your smile, and I still shed a tear every once in a while. And even though it's different now, you're still here somehow. My heart won't let you go.